Good morning, student. This is Arun Kumar Chaurasia from Subra Singh Children Academy. Welcome in online class. Today, we will start a new chapter in history. The chapter name is Kingdoms, Kings, and an Early Republic. Before starting this chapter, I will give you a short introduction about Vedic period. After the decline of Indus Valley civilization, a new culture and civilization emerged in India with the coming Aryan. With the coming Aryan. This civilization developed in northwestern part of India and gradually rest of the Indian subcontinent. Then, who is the founder of Vedic civilization? Aryan. So, the Aryan. The Aryan arrived in India were probably from Central Asia. From Central Asia. They migrated to different part of the world in search of fertile pastoral land, in search of fertile some of these people moved around Syria, Mesopotamia, and Middle East. Some of these moved toward Europe while some came into India. The people who came into India is known as the Indo-Aryan. They probably came into the northwestern part of India through the Hindu Kush mountain, through the Hindu Kush mountain. Indian subcontinent from 2500 BCE to 500 BCE. Basically, the period from 2500 BC to 500 BC divided into two parts. First, from 2500 BCE to 1500 BCE. During this period, the Indus Valley civilization, the Indus Valley civilization flourished in Indian subcontinent. And this is the first civilization of India which are related to the urban culture, and this civilization is known as the name of Harappan civilization also, because the first place which are related to the Indus Valley civilization is Harappa, and there are many more places which are related to the Indus Valley civilization like Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Rakhi-Gadi, etc. Then there are so many most important feature in Harappan civilization like the Great Bath and the granaries are there. Then after the decline of Indus Valley civilization, a new period emerged. To 500 BCE. The period between 1500 BCE to 500 BCE mostly refer to the Vedic period. Most of the knowledge about this period came from Vedic literature. And what is Vedic literature? In Vedic literature is the oldest and sacred literature of Hindus. Then Vedic literature is divided into many parts like the Vedas. There are 4 Vedas in Vedic period. First, Rig Veda. Second, Samaveda. Third, Yajurved. Fourth, Atharvaved. The Rigveda is composed near about 3500 BCE, and it is the oldest sacred book of Hindus which are given the information about the Aryan. And in this book there are 1028 hymns which are related to the different god like Agni, Indra, Varun, etc. Then Rigveda is divided into 10 parts. And it is known as the mandals. It means there are 10 mandal in Rigveda, and each mandal is composed by a sex, and then Rig Veda is divided into 10 mandals, and the hymns which are the hymns means the hymns is known as Sukt. The hymns known as the Sukt. Then second Samved. Samved is the musical translation of the Rig Vedic hymns. And third Yajurved. Yajurved is related to the sacrifice of the Hindus. And fourth Atharved. Atharved is composed by the Atharva Rishi. And in the Atharved, the magical spell are given there. So there are 4 Ved, and there are so many texts based on the Vedas, like the 18 Puranas are there. 18 Puranas are there. In 18 Puranas, the origin of earth and man given in 18 Puranas, and the books which are given the critical analysis of Vedas, that is known as the Brahmanas. Then some more books are related to the Vedic period, which is known as the Upanishad, Aranyak, etc. So these all are about the Vedic civilization, and these all literature book are given the information about the Vedic period and Aryan also. Then the Vedic period is divided into two parts. First, early Vedic period. The period of early Vedic period is 1500 BC to 1000 BC. In this period, the people of early Vedic period lives in a tribe, and they make a group that is known as the Jan. They live a semi-nomadic life. Then later, in second, it is a later Vedic period. Later Vedic period. In later Vedic period, and the duration of this period is 1000 BCE to 500 BCE. In later Vedic period, the people of Vedic period live a subtle life, and they further moves in the Gangetic Valley, and that main achievement of this civilization is they know about the iron tools, and by the iron tool they clearing the forest of Gangetic Valley, doing agriculture there. Then After the surplus production of grains, the people encourage the trade, and due to the encourageness of trade, there are so many cities are developed there, and cities developed there. और बेटा these cities is known as the Janpad. These cities is known as the Janpad. ओके और जनपद, जैसे कि हम आप सभी जानते हैं कि हम लोग आज जिस स्थान पे रहते हैं इसको भी जनपद बोलते हैं। प्राचीन काल में जो पूर्व वैदिक मतलब अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड था बेटे, उस समय लोग जो है एक जो ये आर्यन एक ट्राइब थी वो एक ग्रुप बनाकर रहती थी जिसको बोलते हैं जन। और इन जनों का जो जन होते थे इनका जो इनके जब कई ग्रुप मिल जाते थे, इनके जब कई ग्रुप मिल जाते थे आपस में, देन द ग्रुप ऑफ जन मेक अ जनपद, मेक अ जनपद। And when Janpad became more larger and more powerful, then it is taking the shape of Mahajanpad. Mahajanpad. Jana. Mahajana. The Janpad and Mahajanpad emerged during the 600 BC. 600 BC. It is an era when the Buddhism and Jainism both are emerged here, and then source of information. Most of the information of this period comes from the Vedic text, from the Vedic text, Vedic text, like Brahmanas, Manas, and Upanishads, Brahmanas and Upanishads, and some Buddhist texts like the Jatak tales, these texts given the information about the Janpad and Mahajanpad in that period. Then archaeological excavation, archaeological excavation. excavation. Archaeological excavation excavation of settlement in Mahajanpadas in Janpadas have been carried out out in different part of India, like first Purana Killa in Delhi, Purana Killa in Delhi, Killa in Delhi. First second Hastinapur in Meerut. Third, अतरंजी खेड़ा, जी खेड़ा इन एटा. उत्तर प्रदेश. Means archaeological excavation of settlement in Janpads have been carried out in different places of India, like Purana Killa in Delhi, Hastinapur in Meerut, Atranji Kheda in Eta, Uttar Pradesh. And these excavation revealed the Vedic period is a period which are belonging to the rural civilization. Rural civilization. Because basically the Aryans were doing the farming and reared the cattle and they grow the different type of food like the rice, wheat, barley, etc. And they rear different type of cattle like goats, buffaloes, and some more are there. So the archaeological excavation revealed the rural culture of Vedic civilization. Then in Vedic civilization, the people of Janpad and Mahajanpad use a special type of pottery that is known as the PGW, means painted greyware. Painted greyware. It is a special type of pottery used by the Aryan, and it is very smooth pottery, and some figure are mentioned on this pottery, and this pottery name is painted greyware. So this is all about the introduction of Janpad and Mahajanpad in kingdoms, kings and early republic. So we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.